Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study space at home on the floor. First, select a quiet, low-traffic spot in your home where you won't be easily disturbed. Next, ensure you have ample lighting, whether it's natural sunlight or a good lamp, to prevent eye strain during long sessions. Finally, clear a generous area, ideally at least 4 by 6 feet, to give yourself plenty of room to spread out comfortably and move around as needed. To make your floor study space truly comfortable, start with a thick, soft rug or a yoga mat for cushioning against the hard floor. Then, add some supportive floor cushions or a specialized backrest pillow to maintain good posture and prevent discomfort during extended study periods. Remember, proper support is key to avoiding aches and pains, allowing you to focus better on your tasks for hours. Keeping your study area organized is crucial for productivity. Use small, easily accessible bins or baskets to keep your pens, notebooks, and other essential materials within arm's reach. A portable lap desk is also incredibly useful for providing a stable surface for writing or using a laptop. This setup ensures everything you need is close by, minimizing interruptions and maximizing your focus. To maximize your focus, minimize distractions by turning off notifications on your electronic devices. Personalize your space with a small plant, a favorite photo, or a calming scent to create an inviting atmosphere. Establishing a consistent study schedule will also help train your mind to focus when you're in this dedicated space. These small touches can significantly enhance your productivity and overall study experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.